In this video, I am going to explain about anonymous functions. We already know something about the like functions. So normally to write the any function, first we need the function keyword. First we need the function keyword. After the function keyword, we will write the function name. Function name is, for example, get data I am writing here. So this is a one of the function name. This is a function name and this is a function keyword. Normally to create any function we need the two things. We need the function keyword as well as we need the function name. This is a like normal function creation. So inside I can able to write anything. For example, document dot write ln of. So here this is a normal function. This is a normal function. Okay, normal function. But observe here, anonymous function means nameless function. First here observe one thing. This is a one of the function name, and this is a one of the function keyword. To create any like function, we need these two things. First we need the function keyword. After the function keyword, we have to write the function name. But this is a one of the regular function. But in case of the like anonymous function, what is the meaning of anonymous function means? Just what we are doing is the meaning of anonymous function means it is a nameless function. Again I am repeating, anonymous function is nothing but a nameless function. Nameless means there is no any name. Here we are having the function name as well as the function keyword we are having, but anonymous function means we no need to write this function name here. But in normal function we are having the function keyword, along with the function keyword we are having a function name. But in case of the anonymous function means we can have the function keyword, but we no need to write the function name here. Function name we have not written. This is a anonymous function. This is a one of the anonymous function. This is a one of the normal function. There is a lot of differences there between the like normal function and the like anonymous function. In case of the normal function, we are having the function keyword and we are having a function name. But in case of the anonymous function, we are having function keyword, but there is no any function name. That's why we are not writing any name here. That's why we can say that anonymous function is nothing but a nameless function, or there is no any name here. Observe here, if anyone will ask what is the anonymous function in JavaScript means, in JavaScript anonymous function is nothing but one type of the function that has no name or nameless function. In simple way we can say that anonymous function is nothing but a nameless function. That is means we no need to use function name. That one only I have written here. So in case of the like anonymous function, we need the function keyword, but we don't need the function name. So without using the like any function name, if you are directly writing any function like this is nothing but an anonymous function. But normally to call this function, we have to write a like function calling here. Without doing the like function calling, then you can't able to execute. Without doing the like function calling, you can't able to run this program. You can't able to execute this function. In the same way, suppose if you want to call, or if you want to call this, if you want to see the output of this anonymous function, you have to declare it has a like variable. For example, where anonymous function is equal to you are giving this anonymous function as one of the value to the a variable. Normally we know something about how to create a variable. For example, if you want to create a variable means we need the var keyword. After the var keyword we need the like variable name, variable value here, but instead of the variable value directly we have given normally 1 minute. For example, if it is a variable means we can have a like var keyword and we can have the like variable name, and here we have to write the for example 200 as one of the value. But if it is a like string type means, for example, here I have given the like Hyderabad as one of the value. But instead of giving the variable value here, I am assigning the like anonymous function. For example, function name is nothing in the sense, in case of the anonymous function we should never give the any function name. And this function name, if you want to execute this function, we have to assign this function to the like any one of the variable. For example, here document dot write ln of, here it is a anonymous function. It is an anonymous function only. It is a anonymous function only. And here if you would like to execute this anonymous function, you need to assign this one to the like any one of the variable. For example, a is the like variable value here. If you want to call this one, you have to write like this, then only it will execute, otherwise it will not execute. This is nothing but like anonymous function calling. Anonymous function calling. So observe here, I am having a one let keyword here. Let x is equal to function I have written here, and there is no any function name, just I am having a one function keyword only. But instead of inside this function, instead of writing the document.write ln, I use the console.log, and it is like anonymous function I have written. Suppose here if you want to print this output, if you want to check the like whether this anonymous function is working or not, you have to assign this anonymous function to the any one of the variable. For example, let x is equal to, this is like one of the anonymous function you have given to the like x variable, you have assigned. Then what you are doing is x colon, then you are trying to access this anonymous function. What is the use of this anonymous function means, we know something about the parameterized function. For example, I am having a one function name is like add function. For this a I am giving as one of the input, a I am giving as one of the input, b also I am giving as one of the input. And second thing here what we are doing is, observe here, add is nothing but like one of the function name. For this function name I will giving the a as one of the input parameter, a I am giving as a one of the input parameter, b also I am giving as a one of the input parameter only. How we are giving like a as one of the input parameter to the add function, in the same way we will, instead of giving this a variable or instead of giving the like this b variable, I can give the anonymous function like this function keyword, and inside I can have one more thing called as document.write ln, and here I can have the like for example hi. So we are having this one, means how we are giving the either a or either b or either c or whether it is related to the like input or something, input, how we are giving as a like one of the input parameter here. In the same way I can able to give the one anonymous function as one of the input only. What is the use of this one? What is the use of this anonymous function means you can able to give anonymous function as one of the input parameter to the any one of the function, and it is going to work only one time only. If you want to execute or if you want to see the output only one time, you have to go for the like anonymous function, and that anonymous function you have to keep inside a like any one of the other function. For example, add is nothing but one of the function. For this add function, I am giving this anonymous function as one of the input parameter. Normally, instead of writing this one, we can able to give a as like one of the value. But here, instead of a, I am giving a anonymous function as one of the input. So finally what I mean to say is anonymous function is nothing but one of the nameless function. Nameless function means after the function keyword here show data or any like name you don't need to give. If you are not giving the any name here means it is a nameless function only. And inside this nameless function document.writeLn of hi you have written means this hi is nothing but one of the value you can able to see only one time only. But finally what I mean to say is if you want to give as an input parameter to the like any one of the like function, you have to go for the anonymous function as a one of the input parameter. Observe here. So if anyone will ask what is the anonymous function means, anonymous function is nothing but one of the nameless function. That is means we don't need to use the function name. Directly we can use the function keyword. After that we don't need the function name. And inside this function I am having the console.log of something I am written here. Then I am having a like this anonymous function I have assigned to the like x variable, and this x is having here. And one more thing. So if anyone will ask what is the anonymous function means, we can use anonymous function in the JavaScript for the several purposes. Means we can able to use the anonymous function for different purposes we can able to use. The one is we can pass the anonymous function to the another function as an argument, or we can pass it as a like one of the callback function also we can able to pass. What is the meaning of callback function means inside any one of the function, suppose this add is one of the function. For this function, if you are passing this anonymous function as one of the input parameter, it is called as callback function. What is the meaning of callback function? So add is nothing but one of the function. For that function, you are giving anonymous function as one of the input parameter. So if you are giving the anonymous function as one of the input to the like any one of the function, it is called as callback function also. Means you can use the anonymous function for different purposes. You can use like as a argument, you can use like as a callback function, and using the anonymous function you can able to create the immediately invoked function executor. So I am going to explain you practically. Observe here, for example, where a is I am having like one variable, and for this variable normally 20 is the value, like that we have to create. This is like variable creation. But in the same way I am having a where x I am having as a one of the like variable. For this x variable I am giving a one function, for example function, and function name we have to write. But here I am not writing the any function, whether it is a show function, display function, render function. I am not giving the any name. If I am not giving any name here means it is called as nameless function. and inside this nameless function I am writing something like this. For example, document dot write ln of this is a anonymous function. So if you want to print or if you want to see the output of this anonymous function, you have assigned this anonymous function as one of the input to the x variable. So you have to call this as like this. This is the anonymous function calling. Anonymous function calling. Anonymous function calling. This is the anonymous function calling. So I don't want to print this one. So that's why what I'm giving is, instead of giving here false, I can able to give it won't execute. Observe here, where x is equal to function keyword I have written, but after the function keyword I haven't written any function name. If I'm not written any function name here, means it is a nameless function or an anonymous function. And this one, how you have created the variable a in the same way, where a is equal to 20, but instead of this 20, for x variable you are giving a anonymous function. Then you are trying to print that one. So I am going to click on, I am going to give the right click here. I can get the copy path. Then inside any one of the browser you can paste this one URL, then you can able to get it. Observe here, this is one of the function, anonymous function. Whatever I have written inside this anonymous function, I am getting this is an anonymous function only. In the same way, I need to explain something about the we are having the many advantages with the help of the anonymous functions. Next, I will explain in the next video. I will explain about the anonymous function usages.